As you guys will know, if you watch the channel, I have a lot of conventions with Star Wars guests coming up. And I have a ridiculous amount of boxes. So you know what that means, it's time for a massive Star Wars Funko Pop unboxing. So as you'll have seen, we have 4 boxes, the bigger ones down there, but these 3 boxes all have 1 pop each in them, and then the big box has 3. Obviously, I know everything I ordered, but with some of these boxes, I don't know what will come out. We're going to start with the eBay package, as I do know exactly what pop is in this box, because I only ordered 1 off eBay, and this is what it is. It's actually for this weekend. This will be coming out today, the day I'm filming it on Wednesday. And on Sunday, I'm going to Comic-Con Northeast, where I will be meeting this man and getting it signed. Oh, I dropped something. There is Ben's card. But here we are, and it looks clean. It is in a pop protector as well. It is Admiral Akbar on his chair, the Return of the Jedi 40th anniversary pop. We're going to be getting this signed by Tim Rose this weekend. It is in really good condition. There is a bit of a nick there on the corner, but I knew when buying it. Other than that, the condition is really, really good. Super happy with it, and obviously if you guys watch the channel, you'll see me get this signed this Sunday. Video will be next Wednesday, hopefully. Giving it a week between uploads, but yeah, this pop's going to look super cool on display when signed. It won't be it might just catch our backdrop, which I'm setting up down there with a bunch of new pops, but for the first pop, I'm super happy with it. Okay, moving on, we have the 2 Amazon boxes. I'm going to go with the right one first. Obviously, I know the 2 pops I ordered. In which box each of them are in is a mystery to me. Now, the rest of these pops are for the same convention, which is Star Fury Invasion at the Birmingham Hilton Hotel at the end of June, where I am actually full up in consignments already, but where we will be seeing majority of the cast for for Ahsoka and the Mandalorian. This year, Sean Harry decided to do just Star Wars, which was absolutely brilliant for me. But we have the first pop. It is the less valuable of the 2, which is good. But it is Dark Trooper with Grogu Glow in the Dark, coming from Amazon. The box itself is in mint condition. There's a little nick on that corner. But we are going to be getting this signed by, I think it's, I don't want to butcher his name, but I think his name's Ahmad. It is the voice of Dr. Pershing. Actually, there is a black paint splatter on Grogu there. That is not the nicest thing, but we're going to be getting this signed by Dr. Pershing himself. There is also Elia Kane. I'm not sure whether to get another duplicate of this pop or to get a Mandalorian pop, or I have a Grogu pop that's on its side, but then that'd be hard to display in the wall over there. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet with her, but this is definitely going to be getting signed by Dr. Pershing. Another cool pop for the collection. Obviously, it's not a highly valuable pop, but it's a nice one to add into my collection. Obviously, I'm getting my wall of pops, and I'm going to have a row of Star Wars pops from what I call the Mandoverse. It's going to have all the Ahsoka pops, all the Mandalorian pops. Obviously, you know I met John Carlo in Wales in November, so he's going to join that list. We have the lady who plays Fennec Shand, but I'm not sure if I'm getting her on a Fennec Shand pop yet. It is in September, or if I'm going to get her on Agent May pop, because she was in Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. and I have my Coulson pop. Oh my god, this Amazon paper's bloody hard to get into. Jesus. Let's try it. Okay, that works. There we go. Just had a bit of an issue there. And then, obviously, with the Dark Trooper coming out, I know what's in this pop. And it is one I was very, very much looking forward to. I hope it's in mint condition. I hope it has a certain sticker on it. And here we are. Sabine Wren. There is... Bloody hell, dusty on the front, like. In terms of boxware, it's really minty, and it does have that Amazon exclusive sticker, which I was looking for. But Sabine Wren, Natasha, going to be meeting her at Invasion. There is meant to be, I think that's some dust on the inside of the box. There is meant to be a new not Shin-Hati, Ezra and Sabine Wren Funko Pops coming out, which have been leaked. Gonna have to see what they are. Might do a window swap, might buy another Funko Pop depending if I like them a lot more. But yeah, the Sabine Wren, Amazon exclusive. I believe this glows in the dark. I could be wrong, but it's in pretty minty condition, and it's another cool one to add to the Mandoverse collection, and I can't wait to get this signed by Natasha in June. Here we are, last big box with 3 pops in it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open the box, and then I'm just going to fiddle around and find the pops and pull one out. Okay, so they're in the cases. The cases, okay. So firstly, we'll just get this one out. This is how do I open this? Oh, there it is. I have bought, we can get rid of that, a UV pop protector. This is for my Bloody Maggie I bought a while ago and unboxed on the channel. It's been sat in a soft stack. I did buy some hard stacks, but they weren't of great quality, so I just got the regular UV Funko stack to put that in. Now, we have a double and we have a single. I'll go with the single first, and then I'll open it to the screen, and we have Ezra Bridger. This is the new Ezra Bridger that just came out. Obviously, the first and original Rebels one was very, very expensive, around £70. And as I said, there is meant to be a new Ahsoka Ezra Bridger coming out, which, if it comes out in time, I'll 100% be buying, and then I'll be selling this. Or I'll be getting this one signed, and I'll 100% be window swapping it to the new Ezra. Because obviously Aman is Ezra in live action, not in Rebels. So I'd rather have him on a live action pop, even though I do like the motion pops where they're doing a motion. But yes, so there's Ezra Bridger using the Force 696 from Star Wars Rebels. A very cool one to add to the collection, but most likely won't be staying very long if the rumours are true. Okay, so we have Ezra Bridger there, and then we have a duo one. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open it, I'm going to pick the first one out, put this back in here for the moment, and then we're going to see what we got, and we got Shin-Hati. As you can see, there is an Ahsoka theme. See if you can guess the last pop. This one is minty as well. Ivana is coming to the convention. Really, really like this pop. Would be cool if she got a newer one when Season 2 comes out. Maybe a future window swap opportunity. Maybe if there was a Chase variant. Ooh. But yeah, Shin-Hati. Ivana's coming. Very excited to meet her. Because of the prices of these guys at Invasion, Eman was 20, Natasha's 40, Ivana's 40. It was just like, with Season 2 coming out, it was an opportunity I couldn't miss to get some really cool pop signs. Obviously, if you guys watch the channel, I unboxed my Ahsoka disc plate, which I'm getting signed by the whole cast, including Mary Elizabeth Winstead, and a few others. Wes Chapman, who plays Captain Enoch. Could have got a pop signed by him, to be fair. It'd only be 30 quid all in, which I might actually do. But yes, Shin-Hati, a very good addition to the collection. We'll be getting signed. There is a bit of a scuff on the Star Wars, but it is what it is. Another good one. And on to the last one. The last one of the video. If you can see the theme, which is pretty obvious, you might know who this is. I'll give you a moment to guess. But it is Morgan Elsbeth, the Night Sister. Again, her autograph was 20 quid at this convention. It's too good of a price to miss out. The pops, majority of the Ahsoka pops are basic. This one is. But I'll be coming up on a complete Ahsoka set. Obviously, I'm not getting Mary Elizabeth Winstead on pop because she is £60. That may change depending from here to now if I get some money coming in. But and obviously we can't get Ray because unfortunate events. Rest in peace. But yes, Morgan Elsbeth, another good pop. And as you'll see here, we got the trio with Natasha. Oh my god, I always forget her name. Sabine Wren in the Amazon box. But yeah, really happy with how all these pops came out. Obviously, if you keep tuned on the channel, you'll see them all get signed in due course, especially all of these in June. So if you're interested in seeing that, subscribe down below, leave a like on the video, turn on post notifications, and you'll be able to see those videos when they come out. But I'm super happy with how all these came out. I think I'll line them up on the wall and show you the beginning of our pop wall. So I'll do that to end off the video. There we go. The start of the walls looking clean. Our first line is complete. Akbar will probably go to the right, and Aliyah Kane will probably go on the bottom if we decide to get a pop for the wall for her. But it's still looking cool. But nonetheless, unfortunately, that is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy this boxing, there will be more coming with the amount of cons I'm doing. I'm already planning my next big Grail unboxing, which I'm sure you guys would like to tune in for. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and hopefully I'll catch you again soon. New video coming next Wednesday. Thank you for watching, and peace.